We have conducted a hackathon during the COVID-19 problem, and also we have had a tie-up with another NGO conducted by a medical college students, which aims to help poor people by giving them by feeding them and having free treatments. As a part of it, we as a fundraising we have conducts many. We help new JEE aspirants who wish to join prestigious institutions like IIT, NIT, etc. For JOSA counseling, we are starting a one-on-one counseling sessions. To attend the register the program, please visit our website www.tensus.in. So today, for this session, we have our guests Abhijit and Balan, who was passed out of engineering designing department last year. Also, he is currently working at Jaguar Land Rover company. He was basically engineering designing is a 5-year course. I guess it is an exclusive branch for IIT Madras students. Just basically, it's only there in IIT Madras in India. I would like to hand you Abhijit and Balan. He'll share you about his thoughts and how is the post and how is the department or all things. At the meanwhile time, you can share your questions through chat box. Abhijit.
Okay, yeah. I hope I'm audible.
You're audible. Yeah, you're audible. You're audible. You can continue.
Yeah, okay. So, hi all. I hope you all are doing well. Staying safe in this condition. So, little bit about myself. Already covered. So, I am Abhijit Balan, batch of 2014 from IIT Madras. I passed out on 2019 from Department of Engineering Design of IIT Madras with a specialization in automotive engineering. So right now I'm working on software engineering in Jaguar Land Rover. It's the vehicle company, so it's kind of a core to my automotive experience. So I've been working on 1 year, and right now with the condition I'm working from home. I think you might not have got the last session. So I basically told I'm right now working as a software engineer in Jaguar Land Rover. It's a vehicle company, so it's like a core to my automotive experience, and I've been working on for 1 year. So right now with the condition I'm working from home. So right now, since the JEE advanced ranks are out, so congrats to all the people who got through. And for the next steps for you is obviously selecting a good branch. And this is a very important step for you because you won't be selecting this for the 5 years. So you'll be selecting this for your entire lifetime. So your placements, your next career, everything will depend on the branch you choose. So it is important that you make an informed decision. So there is a limit on how much information you can gather at this point of time. So my recommendation is that try to get as much as information you can. So go to the websites of each department that you can get into, and try to get information such as curriculum, placements, and basically all the information, and then take an informed decision. And you should do this for all departments you're looking for. Okay. So I am an alumni of engineering design department, so I'll be giving an overview of engineering design department, and a bit of misconceptions regarding that. So the first thing, it's a fairly new department, and it's been already mentioned that engineering design department is only available in IIT Madras. So it's not available in any other IITs. And even in IIT Madras, it's a fairly new branch. I think it was founded in 2006. So it's a fairly new branch. And the first thing about engineering design is the design part people are getting confused with the architecture design or the graphical design. So first things first is not related to just architecture design or graphical design. And from what I have seen, many people are kind of having this misconception, mostly because of the name engineering design. So it's not just the design part. I believe engineering design is kind of underrated department because many people still don't know what the department is actually about. So the design here stands for more like a system design. So if you take a product, so there is an entire life cycle. So which starts from the customer requirements, and like it will go through manufacturing, development, and even to the maintenance after the release. So design covers the whole aspects. For the engineering design department, it's like it's not a single discipline. So design is not a single discipline; it's a multidisciplinary part. So it will take inputs from many departments. So if you're talking about engineering design department, it has various topics from manufacturing, electrical, mechanical, computer science, and robotics. And these are the main constituents for the curriculum. So engineering design department offers you only dual degree program. So you most of you might know what a dual degree program is. Basically, you are not getting a BTech only option. You will be getting an integrated BTech and MTech in 5 years. ED is offering dual degree in automotive engineering. So that was my specialization, and it's also giving us a specialized dual degree in biomedical engineering. And recently, it's also giving specialization in robotics. So robotics is an interdisciplinary course, which means that robotics, unlike automotive and biomedical, is not completely owned by ED. It's a more like a collaboration of different branches like engineering design, mechanical, computer science, etc. I have already told about the topics that will be mentioned in the course structure. So if you want more details on what will be the exact courses, labs, and what all it will cover, you can go to the website. I think it's cd.iitm.ac.in. You can refer to this website for all the details on the department. And the most notable feature of the department, from what I feel, is we are the only department who's offering a 6-month internship. Most of the all the other department they were not providing you internships. So any vacations you can do internship, and that will actually boost your resume, or it will actually boost your skills. But in engineering design, you can spend 1 semester outside campus, so in an actual company, outside, which will be outside the campus, and you will be spending one complete semester there. So this will kind of help you to get the whole kind of professional experience, the real world professional experience of like what will be when you're actually working in something. And you will be working on the core aspect because it's still a part of your curriculum. So you will be doing this in the 8th semester, I believe, which is 4th year, 2nd semester. So that semester you will be spending that complete semester outside the campus, mostly outside the campus. So in a placement oriented, if you are a placement oriented person, like most people are when they're joining IT, you can go to the placement statistics of 2019. So I guess all of you are aware of the hierarchy in ITs in a rank list ways. So most of the top rank opt for computer science. So it's like computer science, electrical, and then mechanical, and then other branches. So it's mostly the same. And it's kind of similar in IIT Madras also. If you look at the placements, if you look at the number of people got selected, the percentage of people got selected in a department, it's like computer science comes first, and then electrical. And in IIT Madras, it's kind of different because the third place has gone for ED, uh, and after that mechanical. So you can get more details on the statistics of placements on the website, on the IIT Madras website, and you can get more details on what are the companies coming and what are the packages they are offering and how many people are getting selected for each companies. So I think this is a short overview of engineering design, and if you have any question, I can answer it. So all things shorts, engineering design, regarding engineering design, don't get confused by the word design. So even if you have zero drawing experience, even if you believe that you don't have any skills in drawing, it's not a problem at all. You all in the whole 5 years, you are having a maximum of 2 courses in that, and those are fairly enjoyable courses. And regarding the general selection of branch, I don't think you can have all the information to actually make a career decision. And but when you are making one, when you are applying for departments, what you have to do is you have to get the maximum information on all the branches you are getting you can get into, and then make an informed decision. So this is a small session on engineering design. So if you have any questions, I can answer that. Sorry, the question.
Okay. First, yeah, I will ask you a question. Regarding
Yeah,
other questions.
sure.
Yeah, one is the coding is a part of curriculum of your engineering design course?
Yes. So computer science is so as a part of computer science, you'll be doing coding, programming in C. So so programming in C++ is a part of curriculum, and regarding the other projects, so there will be other projects also, and coding will be involved for the other projects also. Like you can choose your own language, but and the department will provide you a course on that. So yeah, coding is it's a part of the department.
If you can choose electives of other departments as a part of, as you study in engineering design department.
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Yeah, as you study in engineering design department, can you choose electives from other departments for coding and other stuff?
Yes, so there are two kinds of electives. One is department electives. So there are some electives which is picked by the department, which will be related to your study, and which can be in other department also. And that you can have a list of choice. And other than that, there are free electives which you can take in any department. So if you have any interest which is not really aligning with the engineering design curriculum, you can take it in the free elective part. But all the other things, you can take it in the department electives part.
Yeah, this other question was asked was, like how hard is the subject other compared to other departments?
Compared to other, I can't really tell a specific answer for that. But what I heard, electrical is a bit tougher, like regarding the skill set you possess after +2. In engineering design, I don't think it's specifically hard, but like it's mostly covering mechanical part, electrical part. Uh, and robotics, coding. So since it's covering a whole wide variety of subject, I don't feel you can consider this the whole thing as difficult. You might find one topic is as difficult, but that won't affect your grades much.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. You mentioned that internship opportunity for 6 months, and also how's the placement opportunities for a engineering design department,
Okay, I have
and
also.
different types of and also different types of profiles open to engineering design.
Okay, so for every department there are two kinds of profile. One is core, which will be related to the subject that you're studying, and the other thing is non-core, which is basically covering software, consultancy, and other profiles. So if you're looking in engineering design, I have already told you that based on the number of the percentage of people who got selected, engineering design is at the very top. And if you want the information on what all the specific companies came into, you can get more information on the portal, on the placement portal of IIT Madras itself. So if I'm telling core companies, since we are covering a whole variety of subjects from robotics to mechanical, so you can many core companies. So most of the companies which will kind of coincide with these interests will open for ED. So if you are looking at the number of companies coming, that also will be more in ED. And okay, regarding the one more thing, yeah, regarding the 6 month internship, uh, it's basically it'll be something related to your field of study. So you can choose, you can find an internship for yourself, but we also have a team for internship, for getting an internship. So we'll call different companies to come and uh, select people for internship work. So we have a team that will bring companies, and you can get selected in any of that companies. And if you have some specific interest, you have a choice of getting an internship in other ways also.
Excuse me,
Thanks
from
for it.
semester 5,
Thanks for your
we
valuable.
have, sorry, I have a question. In semester 5, we have two streams. One is going to automotive, other one to bio engineering. How is the choice given to the students?
Okay, so when I was studying, this was a quite different. So first thing was we had to select the stream as well when you were selecting the branch. At that time, we were divided from the first year itself. Right now, it's in the second, like in the end of second year. I'm not entirely sure about the criteria, but it will be related to the CG and your interest. So people have a way of choosing. It's not like you can give them preference, and it will be mostly based on your CGPA.
Thank you.
Thanks for your valuable time, Abhijit, and thanks for everyone to attending this session. I am a student of IIT Madras. Also, I know I have with the help of my friends. They said to me that it is still they cover every branch in IIT Madras. I guess computer science, electrical, mechanical, robotics, bio. It is a diverse course. So I think since the courses in IIT Madras, there is more opportunities outside the country. Like there is many universities which conduct exchange and for further studies also. There is no problem regarding that. Okay. Fine. Thanks for everyone to attending this session. Also, as a part of it, we are conducting students. You can register it at our website on SensorSyn. The link of the website is shared on the chat box. Okay, thanks for everyone coming. Abhijit, special thanks to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.